Hello again. I must apologise for not having made any videos in the last 2 or 3 months. I have been recovering from major surgery and I was unlucky enough to get COVID at the same time, so that slowed me down a little bit. Anyway, now I'm back working again, or trying to think of videos to offer you, and this one I thought I would make about using the noise filter. I feel that this filter is very much overlooked. I use it for bird's feet, animal fur, branches. When I'm perching a bird on a branch, I find the noise filter gives me a nice woody effect. So without further ado, we'll get into the video, and maybe I'll talk to you during the video and point out different things as we go. Enjoy. We'll start off with a bird's foot, and I'll also show you where to find the filter. And I'll just paint a strip of colour of paint on the canvas and apply the noise to show you what it looks like. Here I'm just using the eraser to give an uneven edge to the branch. When I'm satisfied, we'll go over to the edit, go to filters, go to add noise, and then you have a slider where you can apply as much or as little noise as you wish. So now it's applied to the bird's foot, and I'll just colour in the claws, and I'll add a little stripe of white to look like they're shiny. I've also distinguished claws by adding a dark shadow underneath and a lighter shadow on top. Now I'm drawing in the, I suppose you would call them scales, on the foot of the bird. I'm not quite sure what bird this is going to turn out to be. Now I've duplicated it. The claw on the right I have just made a little smaller and repositioned it a little, turned it a little. And now I'm going to do the branch. So I've painted it, I've applied some noise, shadow underneath to give it some volume, shadow between the 2 feet because that would be the shadow of the bird, and with the palette knife I pulled out a branch, small branch from the larger branch, put on a few leaves, and then I found a bird that I had painted previously, a budgie or budgerigar. Well, no, sorry, this is a lorikeet. I had thought of putting a budgie on there. I'm glad I settled for the lorikeet. I think it does look much nicer than the budgerigar. I have previously made a video on how to paint a branch for a bird to perch on, and you'll find it here or here. I'm not sure which way this will face when it comes out. And if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking or subscribing, and it will encourage me to keep going. Thanks for watching. It's much appreciated. Bye for now.